Welcome grade 4th to your mathematics class. Dear students, good morning. I am Vikas. So children, from today we are going to start block 3 equivalent fractions. So children, this is lesson 1 comparing fractions. I hope you have studied lesson 1 from content book. To connect the subtopic, I have an introductory video for you. So watch it carefully.
This is an introductory question. Question is, I have drawn some pictures on the board. This is first, this is second, this is third. 3 pictures are here. So question is, what do you see? Here are, what can you think about these pictures? Can you imagine? Children, I have drawn 3 types of pictures. There are all different ways of representing the same fractions 1 upon 2 or half. This is the line I have divided into half part, and 4 pictures, 2 pictures I have colored, shaded. So this is 4 half is 2. Now children, I have divided 2 parts and I have said 1 part. So it is also called 1 half.
So students, our aim is today we will learn how to compare fractions. Students, this is question 1. This is for me. I am going to compare the following fractions: A 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4, B 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. So students, watch this video carefully.
This is block 3, lesson 1, comparing fractions. This is question number A. I am going to compare 1 upon 4 from 3 upon 4. So children, here you can see both fractions have same denominator. Children, which fractions have more or bigger numerator is bigger fraction. So 3 upon 4 is bigger than 1 upon 4 because 3 is bigger from 1. So this is 3 upon 4 is bigger fraction. So now children, from 2 pictures I am going to prove how 3 upon 4 is bigger than 1 upon 4. So children, this picture for 1 upon 4, so I have to divide it 4 equal parts. So children, here 4 equal parts are there. Now children, 1 numerator, so 1 I have to set. Now children, 4 equal parts is here also. So here 4 equal parts, and how many parts I have to color? 3 numerator, so I have to color set 3 parts. So then here now children, you can see which picture has or which circle has more shaded parts. So children, 3 upon 4 has more shaded parts. So 3 upon 4 is bigger than 1 upon 4. So then this is question B. I have to compare 1 upon 2 from 1 upon 4. Children, here you can see both numerator are same, but denominators are different. So children, here you can see bigger denominator is smallest and smallest denominator is bigger. So children, here 1 upon 2 is bigger than 1 upon 4. So now children, I am going to prove how can you say 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2 is bigger than 1 upon 4. So children, here this circle will show 1 upon 2. So 2 equal parts I have divided and 1 I have to set. Children, this is 1 upon 2, now 1 upon 4. So I have to divide it 4 equal parts and I have to color 1 part. So children, this is 1 upon 4 and this is 1 upon 2. So children, this circle has most rotated parts. So 1 upon 2 has most rotated parts. So 1 upon 2 is bigger than 1 upon 4.
Now children, this is question 2. This is for you. You are going to compare the following fractions: A 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5, B 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 5. So students, now pause the video, compare these fractions. After comparing, watch next video to get answer. Students, I hope you have compared these fractions. Now watch this video to get answer.
Children, I am going to compare 2 upon 5 from 4 upon 5. So children, here you can see both denominators are same. Means this fraction has 5 and this also has 5. Now children, how can which fraction is bigger? So children, numerator are different. So when denominator are same, then which numerator has more bigger part, so that fraction will be bigger. Means 4 upon 5 is bigger. 4 is bigger than 2, so 4 upon 5 is bigger than 2 upon 5. Now children, I have drawn two rectangles. So this is for 2 upon 5. So I have to set two equal parts, means two numerator. So you can see two equal parts I have said. Now children, this is 4 upon 5, so I have to say 4 upon 4 parts. Children, here and children, which picture has most rotated parts? So this. So 4 upon 5 is bigger than 2 upon 5. So children, this is question B. I am going to compare 1 upon 3 from 1 upon 5. So children, here you can see both fractions have same numerator. So children, which fraction has biggest denominator? So 1 upon 5. So biggest denominator will be smaller and smaller denominator will be bigger. So 1 upon 3 is bigger. And how can you say? So children, from picture I am going to share you. How can we say? So children, this is for 1 upon 3. So 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. I have to color 1 part. I have to say it. So children, this picture, so 1 upon 3. Now children, 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 children, here you can see this picture, so 1 upon 5. Children, which fraction which picture has most rotated parts? So this is 1 upon 3. It is bigger from 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 3 is bigger than 1 upon 5.
So student, I hope you have checked your answer. Children, this is question. Question is, what did you notice about the numerators and the denominators of the fractions in question A and question B? What can you say about the comparisons in each case? So students, I have discussed its answer in previous video. So students, answer is the fractions had the same denominators in question A. The fractions had the same numerators in question B. So when the fractions have the same numerator, we can compare the denominators, and the fractions with bigger denominator is smaller. If the fractions have the same denominator, the fraction with the bigger numerator is bigger. Now students, this is question higher order thinking question. So question is, order the fractions from highest to the lowest. fractions are 1 upon 6, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. So students, watch this video.
Children, this is hard question. Here I have to arrange these fractions highest to lowest. Children, here you can see all fractions have 1 as numerator. And children, here 2 upon 3 has 2 as numerator. So children, 2 is bigger than 1. So here first we start 2 upon 3. Children, left fractions have 1 as numerator. So children, here we will compare from denominators. So small denominator will be bigger and bigger denominator will be smaller. Now children, I am going to compare them. So first 2 upon 3, then 1 upon 3, then 1 upon 4, after then 1 upon 6, after that 1 upon 10.
So students, your homework is study lesson 1 from content book of block 3, do set 1 in workbook of block 3, do lesson 1 in notebook from content book of block 3. Thank you.